Hey girl, hey, welcome back. This is Sugar here. If you are new, if not, welcome back. And today we're going to be doing this little cute, fluffy, sassy little spring look. I think this is so freaking cute. If you want to know how I did it, girls, stay tuned.
Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills.
We're doing a beauty hair review today. They sent over a 13 by 6 T-part wig. This is not a regular 13 by 6. It is a T-part. So as you can see, you get that little bit of lace with the regular, hair in it, and then you get the part. So this is a 6-inch part. This is ear to ear. Regular construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. This, as you can see, is water wave hair. It is ombre, and it goes into this nice golden brown. Very, very pretty. I have already bleached the knots. I have not plucked it. Maybe we'll do that as I install it, maybe if I see the need to. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I wasn't gonna say anything, but I think she deserves some attention. So I don't know, like I really do love this. It's like really effortlessly cute. It's giving me like that 90s feeling. I feel like that one girl from Craft. I'm that girl. Oh my gosh. I love it. I really love it. I'm shook right now. I didn't think I was gonna really like this one either, to be honest with you. I definitely think you should get it. This is just cute to me. Super relaxed, super like effortless, you know what I mean? And like even when you like hold it up, you can get away with a couple of styles with this, even though it's a T-part wig. Oh yeah, I like it. Like I don't even want to wet it. Like it's just cute, really fluffy like this. Get a dose. Get a dose. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Hit the subscribe, like, and notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay sweet.